Hey there, y'all. I'm back. Welcome to our channel and welcome into my kitchen. Today, we're going to make 3 easy homemade cleaners, all less than $1, all with just things you already should have in your kitchen. And they work just as good as the stuff that you spend $5 or $6 a bottle for. Let's get to this. Okay, the first one we're going to make is a window mirror cleaner. The second one we're going to make is a disinfectant cleaner. And the third one is a multi-purpose, use it kitchen, bathroom, wherever you need, like a fantastic style spray bottle. That's what we're going to do. Here's everything you're going to need. You're going to need an empty spray bottle. I don't care if it's a used one or a new one, just a spray bottle. White distilled vinegar. Some rubbing alcohol, just plain 70% rubbing alcohol. Water. Going to need a measure. You need a 1/3 cup measure, a 1/4 cup measure, a little funnel, and something to mix it in. And that is it. So now we're just going to put that stuff in our mixing bowl. Okay, our window cleaner is just this easy. We need 3½ cups of water, which I'm going to have to get my glasses for so I can see that line. Hold on. Should have put them on first. That's 3½ cups of water right there. We're going to take our alcohol, which I forgot to open. There it goes. All right. 1/4 of a cup of rubbing alcohol, just like 70%. Right there, just like that. And then we need 1/3 of a cup of white distilled vinegar. There. Okay, you don't even need to stir it. It's going to stir itself when you go to put it in the bottle. So we're going to take that lid off. Move that so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put that funnel on there. And we're going to pour it right into our bottle. And there you have 1 quart of perfectly good window cleaner. Might have cost you 35-40 cents, you know? I mean, squirt, squirt, no streak ever. All right, this cleaner is good for absolutely anything that you would use standard window cleaner for. Windows, mirrors, your TV, even your fancy TVs. Just don't get crazy. Just put a little and wipe. You know, inside your refrigerator, your glass shelves, just squirt, squirt, squirt. Doesn't leave streaks. Everything is good. Okay, now the stuff we don't need, I'm going to move aside. I don't need this. I don't need the alcohol. I do need to wipe up my mess where I spilled. Okay, I don't need the water. Now, I need 1 orange and 1 quart jar. How easy is that? Okay? All right, we're going to start by opening that jar. We're going to take a good, nice size orange, or if you don't have an orange, you can use a lemon, you can use a grapefruit, you can use tangerine, any kind of citrus. Any kind of citrus will work. They all have the same properties in their skin. Okay? Just make sure you wash it good, which I did. All right, now we're just going to take it, peel it, put the peels in the quart jar, pith and all. Now I'm going to wipe the orange off my hands, and I'm going to add 2 cups, which is about half of my quart jar, of white distilled vinegar, just like that. We're going to put the lid on it. Give it a little shake. And I'm going to stick it in a cupboard for about 2 weeks. At the end of that 2 weeks, I'm going to take and strain it and take the skins out. Pour that into a spray bottle. Disinfectant done. All right, the third one is a very easy multi-purpose cleaner. This one is the same thing you would use for, like, say, Fantastic. You know, where you need to clean like your refrigerator doors or oven top or stove top. Anything like that. This multi-purpose cleaner will work. Still under $1. Okay, you're going to need some water, some white distilled vinegar, some Castile soap, some Mule Team Borax, and some Super Washing Soda by Arm & Hammer. And one good size measuring cup. Actually, it should work out to exactly 32 ounces so that it will fit in an average spray bottle. But sometimes I don't do it exactly right and I end up with a little more. But that's okay. That's okay. Okay, I need my glasses for this one just till I get this water because I need 3.5 cups of water. So we're going to pour. So right there. Now I can take my glasses off because everything else is easy and I don't have to worry about it. I need 1/2 cup of white distilled vinegar. Just like that. I need 1 teaspoon of Mule Team Borax. And I need 1 teaspoon of my Super Washing Soda. And I need 1 teaspoon of Castile soap. We're going to give that a little mix, just like that. All done. Put the lid back on my Castile soap. Open up my spray bottle, which, by the way, I figured out why I always have a little extra. I thought this was a 32-ounce bottle, and Randy informed me that I can't read that it's a 22-ounce, so that's why I always have a little extra that I have to put in a little jar. That's why. These are 22-ounce, not 32. If you have a 32-ounce bottle, you should have exactly enough made to fill your bottle. Okay. Now, we're going to put this little funnel on there, and we're going to fill our cleaning bottle.
Keep going.
See, I always have that little bitty tad left. Always wondered about that. Okay.
You get 32, but they only had the 22.
Yeah, I told him 32 ounce. I thought it's what they were. I just assumed, you know what that means. And so there we are. Now, we're going to do a demo for this one because my fridge is like really dirty. I've waited to show you how good this stuff works so that you trust and believe that all 3 work just like I say they do. Squirt, 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 squirt. Every bit of it right off. No fuss, no muss, no scrubbing. Squeaky, squeaky clean. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Those of you who've been with us from the beginning know, a couple years ago, I did my favorite book reviews. This is one of those books, and it is truly one of my favorites. It's called 702 Ways to Save Money and the Earth by Reader's Digest. Now, if you're my age or older, you grew up with Reader's Digest coming to your house every single month. Everybody looked forward to their copies of the Reader's Digest. And they put this together out of years and years and years. This one was, the copyright says 2007, so that's probably when I got it, because that's, you know, about that time frame I started really looking for stuff. Now, like the window cleaner, and I've always known that. My granny did that. She didn't buy a whole bunch of cleaners. In fact, her whole cleaning entourage was probably the washing soda, the borax, the vinegar, maybe Castile soap, if, you know, she made her own soap. And pretty much that's it. I mean, she didn't go out and spend all that money on cleaners, and because they didn't have it. Get you one of these. I am not kidding. You know, Reader's Digest isn't giving me a dime. I wish they would, but this truly is a great book. You can make dog food out of here, kitty food, kitty treats. Just, you name it, it's in here. 702 ways. Like, subscribe, and share, and join our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.